Yo, what's up? I'm back on my grind, done with this not grinding shit. I really been really bored. Um Anyways, today we're gonna trade Nasdaq. We're going minis, bruh, cause why not? So market right now is pretty bullish, I'm not gonna lie. You can see we sweep these lows right here, right? And then from there on, we've been creating higher highs. Um, I guess that's a market structure shift. And then we created a new higher high, a new lower low, right? So, honestly, I'm kind of looking for buys. I don't want to see price come below this low. I think that's a protected low. So, but I'm not opposed to taking a short to like here. And the reason for that is because maybe this is our new higher high, right? This is our new higher high. Maybe, I'm not too sure. We could go a little bit more further up and sweep these highs and then rebalance some of this lows right here. But if we want to stay really bullish, then I want to see this 15-minute hold or 30-minute hold. Um, Maybe come down to this low. I like how this is leaving buy side right here. Like so much buy side is right here. So we could come up to here. Not looking for like too much. But yeah, that's basically what I'm looking for today. Yeah, I think we're gonna be bullish. We swept Asia low. I don't really think we're gonna go all the way down here. Or maybe it's not impossible, but still. Yeah, I really don't think we're gonna go all the way down there today. Let's check this shit out. We could aim for previous day high. We wick through here, so yeah. Just gotta wait and see now what market open wants to do. All right, so I want to take a short like this. This is if we wake up all the way through here. This is one scenario I want to see. Either sweep that, maybe sweep it again, and target this. That's something I'd like to see happen. Or we could just, it's kind of difficult to explain, but just gotta wait. Yeah, so we're respecting this Fair Valley gap right here. Take out that high. I said I was gonna short here, but I really don't like how we respected this Fair Valley gap right here, so I'm not gonna look for a short right now. Unless if we like wick, we have another candle that wicks, just shows like some type of displacement lower or something like that. But again, that's kind of difficult with this 15-minute being respected. So I want to see what the next candle does. Next candle. All right. If we were bullish, we'd like to see a close above here. Oh my god, I think okay. Yeah, somebody's playing music out loud in front of the crib. It's kind of annoying. It's kind of vibrating everything. All right, so I don't I'm gonna try these longs. Trading View is kind of like acting kind of weird right now. Um, like if I move my stop loss, like it's gonna take forever to change. Look like this. I have to refresh it each time. So what I'm not liking about being in these longs is that we're wicking through, like we're just wicking and wicking. It's extremely volatile though. Price is extremely volatile. Each candle is like 100 ticks. Yeah, that's. I mean that's good, but it's like if you're gonna like trade a eval or I mean a funded, I'd probably de-risk. But all these candles have been like all these candles have actually been like the daily candles, like they've been moving heavily. I'm talking about like uh 1%, 2%, like, and usually sometimes we only get like, I don't know, not not enough movement, not enough crazy movement. TP at a previous day high. I'm not gonna lie, this right here was like a kind of a good entry. I'm going break even just because we're wicking. We're wicking above here. This would be my TP one, but honestly, I don't even take partials anymore. I just go straight break even, stop loss, or take profit. And we're gonna get stopped out break even. Alright, this is it's kinda good. Alright, I'm gonna try this again. Just cause we sweep that low. I kinda wanna see this left open. I'm not gonna lie, fuck this trade, bro. It's kind of a bad trade, bro. We accumulated, swept this sell side right here, swept it again, and now look how this candle's forming. Like, bro, I don't. I feel like it's because I'm on a paper trade account, but yeah, maybe though. Good thing though, we're respecting the CE. This could just form as some type of something like that. Nah, actually, this is good. This is good. And why I'm saying this is good is because we did not leave no wicks up here, like no crazy wicks. I mean, I guess on the 15-minute we did, but Yeah, this how this is forming. It's not really. Also, we have news at 10. Yeah, this trade has kind of already been invalidated because we didn't displace any higher. So low key, like this trade, bro. Like honestly, I just exit out. Yeah, I feel like my Wi-Fi is kind of tweaking. All right, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna long this one more time. Third trade, and if it doesn't hit, it actually does not hit. Yeah, honestly, how these candles are printing, like, I really don't like that. Um, yeah, trading views. All right. Yeah, maybe I should have been patient with my trade. With these losses, honestly, these losses could have been avoidable. Taking a short, I mean, taking a long from here from the displacement candle. That wasn't good. And then trying it again after I got stopped out right there. Now, what I want to see here, in order to validate this trade and go break even, inverses gap, and I want to see like this not become like a valid rejection block. So I kind of want to see like um I want to see this go above these three levels. Like, as long as we go above here, then I'll go break even. So I guess my break even point would be right here. Uh, I'm not gonna lie, this fair value gap does line up with this. So honestly, break even now does not sound bad. But news. We got news. I wanna let this trade breathe a little bit. Wait, why did that wick looks way that looked way bigger than. All right, so we're respecting this. Not really ideal. Um so I guess I'll move my stop. But I don't want to do it off of like FOMO. Never, or like not FOMO, but cuz we could still sweep out this low and then go a little bit more higher or go higher. So at that point, like, but I don't like how this is holding, and it lines up with the rejection level, I guess. I can show my TP all the way up here though. Yeah, not gonna lie, since Stafford Valley Gap got respected, I'm going break even. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna let it breathe, bro. I'm I'm actually gonna let this trade just again because of the news scandal. We're retesting this again, and again, it looks like it's getting respected. So don't know how to feel about that. This for Valley Gap is still validated until we inverse it or close up. Okay, this is good. This is now what I want to see here is break even when we take this high. And then I'm trailing my stop loss once we take this, it was like a high. I'm some sort, I think it was previous day high. Yeah, it's kind of like previous, yeah, it's kind of right there. This is true previous day high, but I'm talking about like the close of previous day high. I mean, of previous day, close of previous day. Alright, I really want to see this just get disrespected. This 15-minute wick I wanted to see get like fully blown to the upside, but I don't know if we're gonna get that. We'll see. I'll see. We're already rejecting lower. Not, just not good. Yeah, so again, this is like considered kind of like a rejection wick. This is how some people like top take moves or bottom take moves. Let's say that we get like a huge wick, right? So price like comes down and then rebalances something like go all the way up here or like the midpoint of where that huge wick was and then go lower. That's kind of like a rejection block. We got news in 4 minutes though. What happens before news? Like sometimes we manipulate to the other side and go to the true direction. So you see how we're manipulating like up, up, up. News candle could just wipe that all out. Take all these low resistance lows, right, and just straight go lower. There's sometimes where it does like where the continuation is, it just keeps going higher or keeps going lower. Like a couple days ago, when we had like 8:30 news, we just kept going lower and lower and lower. Honestly, it's probably not a good idea to aim all the way up here. We're just gonna cut it short. I'm gonna cut it short. 1 more minute until news. And it's kind of big too, Brett. It's PMI, I think. So, you know, I think PMI stands for fuck. I don't know. I don't know how it's what it stands for, but you kind of have to look at news like also like um news can't just be like, oh, we got a red folder, this candle's about to go this way, or like this candle's gonna be volatile as fuck. Like you kind of gotta understand what PMI and NFP is, like stuff like that. You can't just look at it as a, oh shit, it's just another red folder. Unless if it's honestly like the house, the house market value, because like honestly that it really doesn't affect price that much. I mean it does, but it's not really a volatile candle. Did we get SMT maybe? Nope. Actually, we did get a SMT. We took out this high on Nasdaq, but not on ES right here, and that's my sign to go break even. I'm not gonna lie, like I don't like how we left this. I think it's called like a devil's candle, because that means so many orders are right here, and I think that is the data low. Yeah, facts. So we could get back down there. All right, at that point I'm just being greedy, right? So we're just gonna have our TP there, have a piece of the pie. A lot of people have their TP right here, and honestly, that would be a good TP. But I'm different. I'm a greedy piece of shit. Or actually, what I could do is this. Nah, yeah, again, that honestly, this was a valid take profit, bro. Now this looks like it's gonna go for break even. But again, like I said, this data low, right? This new candle got swept, or now something that we can do right here. If this is shorts, we make a for value gap right here, tap into it again, and then go lower. Honestly, this day, not really. It's kind of tricky. This day was kind of tricky. Because like, what do we do in market open? We displace higher. Swept out this, went lower. Swept out 9:30, and then we just it. This probably looks terrible on a 5 minute chart. Yeah, this looks bad. This looks really bad. Now, since we're consolidating, I wouldn't be surprised if we come back down here. Because again, we're consolidating. And we're still respecting this this 1 minute fair value gap. I'm actually like starving. I think I'm gonna get like a bacon, egg, and cheese when I'm done with this trading shit. When this hits break even. I think this is a 104 RR. Yeah, bro. My stomach is bugging, bro. I didn't eat dinner last night, and yesterday for lunch, I had like a sandwich, and then for breakfast, I didn't eat shit yesterday. So I'm not surprised my stomach's asking for food. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do this. Where's the confirm? Okay, okay. Actually, you know what? Should I let this run for the whole session? Nah, nah, I can't do that. I can't do that. Today's Wednesday too. Thursday, I feel like we'll have like a decent day, and then Friday, I feel like we're gonna have a choppy day. Yesterday we had a really good day, um, but yeah, I'll see. Even if that was, oh my god, I think I just might have gotten edged. Holy. Nah, I'm good. I'm chilling. Or maybe not. Maybe not. Okay, nah, we're good. We're good. We're good. I am gonna try my stop maybe all the way over here, just in case it should do want to reverse back down. Bro, where's the confirm button? Oh, nah. I'm gonna let it. I'm gonna let it be, bro. This is a paper trade account. I don't know why I'm having emotions on a fucking paper trade. Damn, that shit did not look good though. No way, just by one tick. Are we serious? Even if I didn't show my stop, bro, this would have been horrible. Bro, what? Nasdaq, come on. Oh my god. Just in case I don't hit take profit, I'm gonna try my stop right there. Yo, come on. Say swear, bro. Come on, Nasdaq. Just go higher. Just one tick higher, bro. Not bad too. This is a 600. Bang. TP hit. We did it. I did it. I'm a fucking loser, bro. We took three trades. Um, or I took three trades. As you can see, hit stop loss, and then bang, I finally hit this trade. From here, which is from here all the way to up here. Oh my god, bro. Again, this trade. Let me tell y'all why I was bullish. So, if we look at our session lows and or our session low, first of all, we tapped into this 15 minute right here. I took the trade off of the midpoint of that 15 minute, as you can see, and we're clearly bullish. Why? Because we sweep out this low, then we break structure right here. So then this is our new high. And then this is our new low, protected low right here. And yeah, we could continue. And again, I was like, yo, we could continue higher or we could continue lower. It depends where. But again, when I looked at the sessions, when I look at the sessions, this we already swept out Asia. Asia already manipulated lower, right? Whatever happened after that, we swept lower. We sweep these lows. London. I don't know what to say too much about London, but basically we took out these lows, right? And then I was like, okay, bet. So I really don't think we're gonna come down here again because of the market structure shift and that. And yeah, took this small trade. Basically bottom ticked the low of New York session. Yeah, I basically did that and targeted the daily close, which was right here. Sometimes I really don't like aiming for the previous day high because again, like look at this. Like we almost took it out but we didn't. Maybe on ES we did. I don't really think we did. Yeah, not even close. Previous day highs all the way up here. But yeah, that was my trade for today. And yeah, I'm gonna go eat a bacon, egg, and cheese right now. So peace out, and I actually hope whoever watches this video learns something.